Hey, how's it going, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to show you some workout clips for today and what I'll be eating today. If you're new to my channel, I eat a high raw plant-based diet, lots of fruit, and I'm into fitness and intermittent fasting as well. So right now it's about 12 o'clock. I'm going to do a little workout in the garage, just show you some clips of what I'm doing. This is a simple full body routine that I've been doing a lot lately. It's just 5 sets. So if you want to get a good full body workout and you don't have a lot of time, I'd recommend this one right here. I'm going to start with a set of pull-ups and let's get going. Here we go. Just finished a set of pull-ups. Now it's on to a set of push-ups. And you're not going to need much equipment for this workout, just a pull-up bar. If you're new to doing pull-ups or you can't do pull-ups yet, check out my video right here. It's how to master pull-ups. And that's if you're, wanting to start doing pull-ups, there's some tips and advice on that one. So I do work out fasted. I have not had any food yet. I'll be breaking my fast around 1 p.m., which is typical for me. So just a little break between the sets and we'll move on now to a set of push-ups. So as you can see, the workout moves are simple, and this is all you need to get in really good shape. You don't need to even have a gym membership. You don't even need to have weights necessarily. So you can just do body weight stuff. I did that for a long time actually, and just got in really good shape. So the next set right here is going to be jump squats. This is a set 3 of 5. I'm only doing 5 sets. That's all you need to do. You just got to go hard. So you can do jump squats, or you can just do squats if you don't want to jump. But if you do regular squats, you'll need to add some weight. Jump up high as you can. Took a little rest, and now it's time for the 4th set out of 5. And this is going to be chin-ups. So they're like pull-ups, except your palms are going to face you. Pull-ups is where your palms face out. And this gets the biceps a little more involved. Now it's important to notate, when you're doing this workout routine, just doing 5 sets, 1 set of each, no body weight, you really want to go for maximum effort. So you go for max reps. Like when you can't do anymore, you do some partials. So like when I can't do my last chin up, I'll come down and I'll just do partial sets. And when I can't do that, I'll just hang for a minute and try and pull. So you really got to go hard if you want effective results. So you don't want to just, if you can do 10 pull-ups, you don't want to just go do like 6 or 7. You want to really max it out. Okay, here we go. Chin ups. Now I fast forwarded here to the end of the set so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, 5th and final move is dips. If you don't have some dip bars, then you can just do another set of push-ups. You can always change the push-ups though. You can go narrow push-ups, something different. Narrow push-ups, that's gonna work your triceps a little more. So I'm finished up here my last set, cool down and stuff. And then I'll show you what I'll be eating today. At 1 p.m., I started off with watermelon. Still been getting some great watermelons, and that is probably my favorite fruit, so happy about that. Then at 2:30, I was out on the golf course, and I brought a couple of apples, so I had 2 large Fuji apples. Super nice day. Great day for some golf. Then at 4 p.m., I had a banana, and then I moved on to the salad. Had a bunch of mixed greens, had cucumber, dates, avocado, some peanuts, and walnuts. So delicious salad there. Then around 7 p.m., I had a banana. Didn't have any more watermelon, but there was a really nice watermelon. And this is sort of out of order. I had some cashews and dark chocolate, but I actually had that after I had the smoothie first. This is like a berry banana smoothie, super delicious. Then I had some of those cashews and dark chocolate. Then I had an avocado toast, which was really delicious. And then I had a couple of these flax chocolate brownies. They're sort of like dairy-free muffins. Those are really good. So that was it for the day. And It would be great if you could check out my plant-based recipe ebook. It's in the description box if you want to know some plant-based recipes that I eat and enjoy on a regular basis to keep me fit and healthy all year long. Go check that out. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.